This is SINDIKAT, a fully autonomous algorithmic trading engine built entirely inside N8N. It runs every 4 hours, Monday through Friday, makes multi-model AI decisions, and executes real trades via the capital COM API without any human input. The pipeline starts with a webhook trigger, called by a system cron job at exactly 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20 UTC. Before anything else, SINDIKAT checks a pipeline lock. If a previous run is still executing, it exits immediately to prevent duplicate trades. Stage 1, Data Collection. 3 things happen in parallel. First, the capital COM login node authenticates and retrieves fresh session tokens. Second, COT data Commitments of Traders from the CFTC is pulled for all 5 assets: gold, silver, WTI oil, the S&P 500, and USD/JPY. Third, intermarket context is assembled: 72-hour price history, daily candles, ATR volatility, and real-time price feeds. Before running any expensive LLM inference, the momentum gate node acts as a pre-filter. It calculates price momentum and technical signals. If no asset shows a tradable setup, the pipeline exits early, saving both time and API costs. Stage 2, Parallel Multimodal Inference. 4 independent AI experts analyze the market simultaneously. The architect, powered by Claude Sonnet, builds the strategic case. The quant, powered by DeepSeek R1, stress tests the math. The second quant, running DeepSeek V4, challenges the thesis from a different angle. The strategist, powered by Gemini 2.5, adds macro context. Each model receives its own trust score from a database, earned through past trading performance. Higher trust means more weight in the final decision. This is the key innovation. Unlike systems where models vote in parallel, and you just count hands, SINDIKAT runs a sequential debate. Each expert sees the previous expert's reasoning before forming their own opinion. This forces genuine engagement with the counterargument, not just independent guessing. The outputs are 4 structured JSON responses: direction, confidence, key thesis, and risk flags. Stage 3, Synthesis. The chairman, Claude Sonnet 4.6, reads all 4 expert positions, the trust scores, and the market data, then selects the best asset and direction. But before the decision locks in, the critic, DeepSeek V4 Pro, reviews the chairman's choice. The critic can veto if it detects weak setups, contradictory signals, or inflated confidence. A vetoed trade becomes a hold, no capital at risk. Stage 4, Dynamic Math. This is the quantitative risk filter. The system calculates expected value using realized win/loss ratios from the last 20 closed trades. It applies Kelly Criterion to size the position. 4 gates must all pass before a trade executes. Expert consensus. At least 3 of 4 experts must agree. For sell decisions, all 4 must agree. Asymmetric caution. Minimum confidence floor, 55%. Minimum expected value, 30%. Asset cooldown, 2 consecutive losses on the same asset trigger a 48-hour pause. If all gates pass, the order payload is assembled: size, stop loss, take profit, and sent to capital COM. The system immediately writes the trade to Supabase, updates trust scores based on outcome, saves a vector memory snapshot, and sends a Telegram notification with the full decision breakdown. It's a deterministic, fault-tolerant pipeline with real risk management, running production-grade multi-agent AI on a fixed schedule. Built entirely in N8N, with 0 custom infrastructure.